So, packing up the car, getting ready to go to Oxfordshire. Okay, and we are off. This is much taking.
So heaven's gates won't let me in. I guess I'll dream instead tonight. Maybe there I'll fix these broken wings and learn again to fly.
Woo! Set up. There's Dad. Hey Dad! Say hello.
Wash it up.
Yeah, there's a wash in that bowl. Great. There's my bed. It's already pretty messy here. But I played Battleships with my dad, and he's right there. He's fixing the tent. And he lost. Didn't you, Dad?
Let you win then.
He thinks that. Mind age is 2. Mum's reading the newspaper.
50 pence on the floor, is that mine?
No, that would be mine. Mine, that was mine. 50 pence on the floor, it's mine. What are you like, mine? Oh, you touched it.
Complete rubbish.
We found a frog in our bathroom. Look at him. Don't let him go down the drain. He's tiny. Okay, Mum's doing Lady Gaga style. You just need a green wig now, Mum. Shave your hair off.
Yeah.
Just a bit weird. Dad, what are you doing? Oh, she's taking them off.
Take them off. Do you want the sunglasses?
Where are we?
Black Horse.
Black Horse. We're at Black Horse.
Country pub.
Having dinner on our first night. Should be good. My dinner. Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, Dad? Yes, Dad? Dad? Did you see his face? Do you want to see his face? We're just going past like for sale signs like this. Look at that house. It's really nice. Do you think I should call them up? See if I can buy a house with like the £2 something I've got in my bank.
Foot. Yep. Very ticklish and hurting. There. Expressions on face. How wonderful is that? And
Magic.
no, look. Smile for the camera.
You can see me. This is the end of day 1. I've been swimming, been to the gym. I should have filmed a bit at the gym. Hopefully I should be going again. Parents are in the tent. Car just went. And I'm going to go wash and get into bed. Hey Dad!